A major security breach has rocked Zimbabwe's government after unknown assailants raided the office of the Minister of Home Affairs last night, making away with all computers, laptops, and vital equipment. Home Affairs Minister's office raided overnight. Computers, laptops stolen, whole building wiped clean. Don't subscribe or like out on the bell. The unprecedented breach occurred under the cover of darkness, targeting one of the most sensitive offices in cabinet, responsible for the entire national police service and internal security. In a response to ZVAITWA News Network, the Home Affairs Minister confirmed the incident but said further details were yet to emerge. Good afternoon. I'm yet to get the details. The police are handling the matter, he told ZVAITWA on Friday. The brazen raid raises serious national security concerns, especially as it mirrors a similar incident in May when the office of the commander of the Presidential Guard was broken into under suspicious circumstances, an incident that remains unresolved. Analysts say the repeated targeting of high security defense and policing offices could point to either a coordinated internal sabotage or a breach by highly resourced actors, as the persons are never caught. Previous incidents like these before the 2017 transition resulted in a swift transfer of power. No official statement has been issued yet by the Zimbabwe Republic Police ZRP, but sources say an emergency internal investigation has been launched, with the top military and intelligence officials now involved. The motive and identities of the perpetrators remain unknown, but questions are now mounting over the safety of confidential government data, police operations, and internal intelligence housed within the ministry. This is just a developing story, more to follow. Thomas Kwarugura panguva ine zvakanakira zvoitika munyika yeZimbabwe, munofunga kuti ndivo vanga vanani vachange vanenge vachiatakana kudai. Zvotokuratidza these are just people in the ruling party vari kuuya panguva ine. Zvatikaona zvakamboitika kuna the presidential guard, nawo zvoitika kune the minister of home affairs. Panapa vanhu vatongorishiwa zvavo kuti vatongori vanhu vanenge vada kungosapotejana ikoko kumusoro ikoko. We do not know their motive kana maagendas avo, but you just know kuti these are people from within. Tudze mafunguro enyu muri pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Nako section medu mafunguro enyu. So subscribe or like, chit on the bell icon.